It's raining. Your little friend's coming up. Is your friend coming? No, 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 no. I know that look. Oh, just one you need a bit of the old health food diet, don't you? Oh, yes. Hello. Hello. What have you got? Oh! You're hiding. Hiccups! Don't you dare. Don't you dare. Don't you dare. No. No. Oh, look at you. Look at you. So many of them because of the rain, I think.
Yeah.
No, nor have I.
Does the rain impact them?
I think it makes them think humans won't be out in this weather.
Oh, yeah.
It's safe.
Yeah, yeah.
That's my best guess.
This is our time.
Excuse me, it's giving me hiccups. I'm so excited. Little one, what have you found? What have you found? Oh, very cute. All finished, whatever it was. I'm not feeding you in the garden. Yes. Yes, and another thing. Are you playing? Do you realise you've given me hiccups and I'm going to have to edit it out? Yes. Yes.